You know, sometimes it feels like the projects are never ending. And then sometimes you can see the light at the end of the tunnel. And that's where we're at today. Yep. Still in the driveway. But that's okay. We are getting so much work done, and now we've just been sitting in this cool spot for a couple of months and getting to a point where like we're really dialing it in now. You've seen us working on our wall panels, trying to get ready for those, getting our ceiling panels up, which we finally have gotten them all cut and fit. So all that looks fantastic. The next step for us was figuring out, do we want to cover them with material or do we want to cover them with paint? You know, looking into different options available for us, different costs, considering our budget. We went ahead and opted to do something probably unconventional for a van, which, you know, we're all about that, so hey. We've chosen to go with, after looking around over the weekend and having done a lot of price shopping previously, like one, the shipping of like any type of material is through the roof. So just to have it shipped here, you're looking at like $300 to $700. That's a lot of money, plus the material. And so going this route that we decided to go, I think we're gonna be like all in like maybe $300 besides the panels themselves, like just for the supplies. So we're choosing to use the Behr Advanced Deck. I think I'll have to show it to you. But anyways, they have some really cool options with it, including like a super extra textured paint. And so we thought, let's go ahead and give that a shot and try that on the ceiling panels. Today's project is all about priming those panels and starting to check out that paint and see how far we can get in the process today. We've started with sanding the panels down. We'll get them prepped and ready to go, and then we'll get ready to prime. I've enlisted help. Broke away from the shackles of the desk. I think he came to check on me, my project status, which is behind the gun.
I did come to check on you.
I knew it.
Came to check and help.
Check and help. So here's our setup. A little dark in the garage. Sorry about that. Got a Willie dog helping out, holding down the fort. We've now got them sanded. Got them wiped off, so we're prepped and ready to go. So next step here is we are going to use a primer on this. So the panels we're working with here, they are 1/4 inch Baltic birch plywood. And we've got this cover stain. It's an oil-based primer. Here's what we're gonna do. Behr Advanced Deck Over. Resurfaces properly prepared weather wood and concrete. Textured or extra textured finish. And it is a waterproof coating. And so for us, that was kind of huge. So the reasons we decided to go with this was one, the cost. So I think this is like $40 to $50 per gallon for the Advanced Deck Over. The primer, I'm not sure what that was. I'd have to look at the receipt. But all in all, it was like a pretty low cost, budget-friendly option that also will seal all the wood well and would be waterproof, so we don't have to worry about any condensation and mold, that kind of stuff building up within the ceiling panels. This will be the face down part. This is what we will see, but we'll also do the back sides with the primer. And then this we'll just do primarily on this, the face of it. And if we have enough left over and feel like doing it across the back, we might, but I'm not sure that that's necessary because nobody's going to see it. Oh, and I should caveat this by saying we have no idea what we're doing. We've never done this before. This is 100% an experiment, so we'll see if it works. I like painting, but I also hate painting at the same time. It's very unforgiving. If it dries or gloops or drips, you just gotta be careful. You gotta take your time, but work quick. Fun stuff. Got a bug over here. Get off. Oh, gross. Oh well, part of it now.
making progress. I've gotten all of these edges and panels first coat of primer on. It's like, what, 6 o'clock? So I've been going since it's like 6 hours-ish. Maybe
Painting
more like
takes time,
5. But yeah, it does take time. These are finally dry enough. Now we can go ahead and flip them and get the other side done. That one's still tacky, so we'll wait on that one. It's starting to really look like a real ceiling.
Yeah, it's coming together.
I like it.
It's a lot cheaper than the other.
It is. Yeah.
So I like it. It's gonna be really nice when you
gonna
see
be
the
awesome.
texture on it, like that white lead texture. It's gonna look really nice.
Yeah, which I haven't told you the color yet that we were gonna do. What is it? Silver gray? Is that what
Light
it was?
lead.
Or
No,
light lead. Light lead. Okay, I couldn't remember the
Silver
exact
gray was
title.
the next one up.
The next one. So we're going with light lead, so it's like a real light gray. Willie.
Willie.
Go around, bro.
What's up, bro?
He's like, you blocked me in.
What's up, bro?
It's starting to really feel like I can see the ceiling. It feels like a house.
It does. It's close. It feels weird because we've lived with it for
3 years now.
yeah, 3
End of May
years.
is 3 years.
3 years without having a ceiling, so it feels super weird to have a ceiling. But cool.
Super cool at the same
But weird.
time.
And we're ecstatic about it.
Oh yeah. See. Oh, we can show you the color that way, I guess. We open that up. There we go. Boom.
So it's gonna be that one there.
Yeah. Light lead.
Yeah. And it even conceals cracks and stuff, so it can like
Yeah.
hold together.
I'm excited to try
done a
something
good job.
different.
You've done a
And
good job so far.
Not
It
blow
looks
the
really
button.
nice.
Thank you.
Looks really nice.
I've been a
Teamwork.
busy little bee today.
Yeah,
so.
teamwork.
He's been working, and then in between things, he's been helping
Been
me
helping.
with little things here and there.
Working and
This
helping.
is my job today,
Yeah.
is to do this. It is 10:29, so 10:30. I've got me some coffee, and I'm just gonna keep going. 11:36, so did not quite take me as long as I thought it would. I honestly thought I'd be out here for a few hours, but holy crap, I need to get some air. It's a little fumey in here. Morning. We're back at it. It's now 10 a.m. Got everything out of the sun. It's time.
You all ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Okay.
Ooh, that's
that.
cool.
That's cool. Whoosh.
That's thick. It's thick. There we go. Now we're going.
Oh yeah, that looks cool.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's
yeah,
gonna
that
look
looks
way
super
cool.
That looks awesome. You can see it from the side. The texture on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is cool.
That's awesome.
That is super awesome.
I like it.
Yeah?
It's gonna look sick with all the black trim
Yeah.
pieces. And
It
stuff.
will look cool. I like it. That's very nice. Okay.
Alright,
So you're just gonna keep on trucking.
Yep.
Willie will keep being your supervisor.
My supervisor.
I mean, he's the supervisor.
Oh, that's real good.
Woo! Got her done. First coat is on. It is looking oh so good. Super excited about this. And the fact that it's super budget friendly and it's looking super good. Ah, mwah, chef's kiss. Beautiful thing here. Loving it. Maybe you can see the texture from this angle. Man, that was looking good. Gonna let this coat dry and it should be pretty good. So, never done it before, trying it, it's working out. Happy with this experiment. Well, it's close to 90, I'm sure. And we are in between coats. There's Marley. And Marley is a water dog. And I feel like it is the perfect day to bring her pool out. Woo! Let's get this pool set up. Facts about my dogs. Marley loves the water so much that Grandma has her pool out here, her own very own pool. Willie likes water out in nature, but he will not get in a pool. She's gonna go and splash down. So today is day 3 of ceiling panel cover day, painting day, getting them done day. It's time to get this put back together. I can't wait to see how it looks. So I'm super excited.
It's been a long time coming.
Yes.
This will be the last time that we ever take this down.
I hope so. We have no reasons ever to take it down.
Yeah.
First panel installed and up. Sneak peek of the new black trim rings. They're looking pretty nice. I like them. Get the fan put back together, but we're just gonna keep on trucking. Yo, this is hard work. My arms are killing me. You'll get to see a lot of it on time lapse, but the start to finish. But these first 2 panels, I don't know, they just felt really heavy today. But we've got 3 up now. It's looking pretty cool. We've got some finishing touches that we're gonna take care of right now. And so while we were out and about running errands yesterday, David found these screw covers that can go into the ceiling panel to cover the black screws, and it gives it a much more finished look. And so we decided to go ahead and go with those and use them. So this is what they look like here. And they came in this nice light gray, and it's pretty close, but since it's still semi-visible to the eye, we decided to go ahead and paint them to match the ceiling, just so it'll be a more seamless look and it'll really blend. We're just going to go ahead and paint these and see how they turn out. Oh, might be too much. Maybe not. That actually looks kind of good like that. I think I kind of need to do that. Kind of just smash it on them. Experimenting with things, just trying stuff. This was an investment of $10, plus we had extra paint, so why not? But yeah, I'll cut like around the edges to free them when they're dry, and then we can stick these up in those screw holes, and hopefully it'll give it a much nicer, more finished, seamless look for the ceiling. I mean, really, at the end of the day here, it's still a van. Like, you can't kid yourself. So you can do all the fancy things you want to it. It's still just a van. So at least that's how we see it. But you can make it pretty cozy. And so that's the goal here. Also, if you can see this, these are some new hooks we bought. The Umbra
flip 5 hook. We bought a 5 hook and an 8 hook. So that's nice because it folds down and you can put them up. But we've got the 8 one and then this one. So we'll be putting those in once we get the walls done. They're pretty dry. It's been maybe 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit them with another coat. If you've seen one of our other videos, building and working remotely, I think it's titled like that. We have a magnet problem in the van. We had a ton of hooks that were all magnet hooks. So the second we go and put up our wood panel walls, we lose the ability to use all of our hooks. And that's a problem. We love those things. So finding these was pretty awesome. This is so cool. This is gonna be awesome. Yeah, we're done, son. Go. Well, there you have it, the final ceiling reveal. All in all, it cost us just under $200 to DIY it like this. We considered doing it professionally and having someone else cover it with material for us, or even doing it on our own, but by our estimates that was going to be, you know, extra $700 to $1,000. So we definitely saved some money doing it the DIY budget way. What do you think? Would you use an exterior decking product on your van ceiling? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think.
We love it.
Absolutely love it. With that, I'm Vernie, he's Dave, 2 dogs, 1 van. This is our channel. If you're into DIY van build content, travel vlogs, GSP craziness, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you along for the ride. And with that, we will see you down the road.